Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quick tuna salad. To begin, you'll need a few simple items. Grab 2 cans of tuna, about 5 ounces each, a half cup of mayonnaise, and 1 stalk of crisp celery. Don't forget your basic seasonings, a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. These core ingredients form the delicious base for your easy meal. Now, let's get to the preparation. First, drain your 2 cans of tuna very well to avoid a watery salad. Next, finely chop your 1 stalk of celery into small, uniform pieces. Place the drained tuna and chopped celery into a medium-sized bowl. Add your half cup of mayonnaise and the salt and pepper. Gently mix everything together until it's well combined. This is where you can truly make it your own. Feel free to adjust the mayonnaise quantity. If you like it creamier, add another tablespoon or 2. Always taste your mixture and add more salt or pepper if needed. For an extra zing, a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, can really brighten the flavors. Your quick tuna salad is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect served on crisp crackers, toasted bread, or even in a fresh lettuce wrap for a lighter option. This versatile dish makes a fantastic, speedy lunch or a satisfying snack. Any remaining salad can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.